How to set password in Telegram. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you set a passcode or password on Telegram. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Telegram application on your mobile device and you need to be logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the various chats or this interface on your mobile device. So from over here you have to tap on the three-bar horizontal line in the left upper corner and you will be able to see the settings option in the third last option. Simply tap over there and you have to go for privacy and security option on the settings, and you will be easily able to see the passcode log option at the third option under security. Simply tap on that. Remember, passcode and password is same. So here it is said that when a passcode is set, a lock icon appears above your chat list. Tap it to lock your Telegram app. So here you just have to tap on enable passcode at the button and you have to create a password over here. The passcode must contain 4 digits, which is your lock, and by entering the lock you will be able to log into your account. So simply create a lock and once again you have to enter your passcode for confirmation, and you can see finally the passcode has been set. You can also change passcode if you are not sure about the previous passcode. And further, if you want to turn off the passcode or the password, then you can tap on turn passcode off option in the button with red color, then it will be turned off. So this is how you set password in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.